Checking. Assalamu alaikum. Ladies and gentlemen, the November 2019 convocation of Maritime Academy of Maldives is about to commence. Please rise for the proceeding of the Academic Senate with Chief Guest, Director of Indian Cultural Center and First Secretary of Embassy of India, Dr. Said Tanveer Nasir.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ليس البر أن تولوا وجوهكم قبل المشرق والمغرب، ولكن البر من آمن بالله واليوم الآخر والملائكة والكتاب والنبيين وآتى المال على حبه ذوي القربى واليتامى والمساكين وابن السبيل والسائلين وفي الرقاب وأقام الصلاة وآتى الزكاة والموفون بعهدهم إذا عاهدوا والصابرين في البأساء والضراء وحين البأس، أولئك الذين صدقوا وأولئك هم المتقون. صدق الله العظيم.
Chief guest for the night, Director of Indian Cultural Center and First Secretary of Embassy of India, Dr. Said Tanveer Nasir, CEO of Maritime Academy of Maldives, Captain Adil Rashid, Senior Management of the Academy, graduates, distinguished parents, honored guests, lecturers, and managers, and our hard-working, smart colleagues, good evening. I, Amila Adam, host for this grand convocation ceremony of Maritime Academy of Maldives, warmly welcome you all on behalf of the Academy. Furthermore, a very sincere thank you to all for gracing us in this ceremony with your pleasing presence. The beautiful verses of Quran has been recited by MMBS coordinator, Mr. Mahmoud Ali. Ladies and gentlemen, let me deliver the agenda for this convocation ceremony. We will begin with a video presentation of MAM and MAMBS. Next will be welcoming remarks by MABS Academic Director, Mr. Mohammad Firaz. After that, awarding of certificates to ORC managers, lecturers, and graduates. Following which will be a very special moment, awarding of Top Achievers Awards. MAM Alumni Association will be officially inaugurated and launched. Then the chief guest will deliver her message, which will be followed by a word of thanks by a graduate. The ceremony will be concluded with the national anthem. Last but not least, there will be official photo session for the graduates, parents, and guests. Refreshment also will be served. Let's continue with the small video presentation about Maritime Academy of Maldives and Maritime Academy of Maldives Business School. Please see how our journey started and the steps we have taken so far.
ಮಕಿಯವಾಣಿ ರಶುಗಾ ಕಮಬ್ಬುಣೆ ಆ ದತುರೆ ದೇಹ ಸತಾರವಣಹರ್ಗೆ ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್ ಮುಹಕವಣಿ ಫಶಾಫ ಮೀ ಜಜೀರಾ ರತ್ತಕ್ಕ ಮತಿ ತೌಲಿ ಮಹಾಸಿಲ್ ಕುರ್ಮ ಬೇನು ವೆಫಾತಿ ಬೇಕುದಿನ್ನ ಆ ಉಮ್ಮೀದು ತಕೆ ಗೆನೆಸ್ತಿನ್ ಆ ಫೆಶುಮೆ ತರಗಿಯ ತೌಜೀಬಕಿ ಫೆಂವರು ರಂಗಳು ತೌಲಿ ಮುಖಮ ದೆಕೆ ಮೆರಿಟೈಮ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಲ್ಡೀವ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ತಸವ್ವರಕಿ ದಿವೆ ರಾಜ್ಯಗೆ ತೌಲಿಮಿ ದೀನಿ ಸಕಾಫಿ ಇಜ್ತಿಮಾಯದಿ ಇಕ್ತಿಸೋದಿ ಎಮ್ಮೆಹಾ ಕಂಕಂ ಕುರಿಯರ್ವಾ ತರಗಿ ಕುರ್ಮ ಬೇನು ವಾಣೆ ಹುನರ್ವರಿ ಕಾಬಿಲ್ ದರಿಂತಕೆ ಉಫೆದ್ದು ಮೆರಿಟೈಮ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಮಿಹಾತನಂ ಹೋದಿ ಕಾಮಯಾಬಿಗೆ ಹಗೀಗಿ ಬ್ಯಾವರಿನಕಿ ದಿವೆ ರಾಜ್ಯಗೆ ಲೊಬ್ಬವತಿ ರಾಯಿತುನ್ನ ಮೆರಿಟೈಮ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಗೆ ಟೀಮಾ ಗುಳಿಗೆಂ ರಡ್ರಶುಗ ಮಸೆಗೆ ಕುರಾ ORC ಮೆನೇಜರುನ್ನ ಖಿದ್ಮೆತೆರಿ ಮುದರಿಸುನ್ನ ಲೊಬ್ಬವತಿ ದರಿವರುಂಕಂ ಮಿ ಫುರ್ಸತುಗ ಉಫಲಾಯಕು ಫಾಹಕ ಕುರಂ ರಾಜ್ಯಗೆ ರತ್ತಕುಗ ವಕಿಂ ಖಾಸಕೋ ಕುದಿ ಜಜೀರಾ ರತ್ತಕುಗ ಮತಿ ತೌಲೀಮ ಬೆಲೆನ್ವೆರಿನ್ ದೆವ್ವಾ ಅಹಮಿಯತುಂ ಅಂಗ್ಯಾದನಿ ಮತಿ ತೌಲೀಮ್ಗೆ ಮುಹಿಮ್ಮುಖಂ ದಿವೆ ರಾಜ್ಯಗೆ ಜೀಲ್ತಕ ದೆಮಿಗೆನ್ ತಾಣಿಕಂ ಅದೇ ಸರುಕಾರುಗೆ ಫ್ರೀ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಸ್ಕೀಮಾ ಎಹೆನಿಹೆನ್ ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ ತವ್ವೆಸ್ ಮತಿ ತೌಲೀಮಂ ಅಮಾಜ್ ಕುರೆ ಫವಮುಂ ಅದುಗೆ ಸರುಕಾರುನ್ ತೌಲೀಮದ್ದೆ ಅಹಮಿಯತು ಫಾಹಗವೆಗೆಂದೆ ಮತಿ ತೌಲೀಮ್ಗೆ ದಾಯರಾಯಿಂ ಮುಹಿಮ್ಮು ಕಂತತಕೆಂ ಹಾಸಿಲ್ ಕುರನ್ ಸರುಕಾರುಂ ಅಮಾಜ್ ಹಿಫಾಫವಾಯಿರು ಸರುಕಾರ ಗುಳಿಗೆಂ ಸರುಕಾರುಗೆ ಸಿಯಾಸತ ಎಗ್ಗುತ ಮತಿ ತೌಲೀಮು ಫೋರು ಕೊದ್ದಿನುಮುಗೆ ಮೇ ಮಕ್ಸದ್ಗ ಮಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಇರಾದು ಕುರವಿಯ ಅಬದುವೆಸ್ ದೆಮಿಯೊನ್ನಾನೆ ಮೆರಿಟೈಮ್ ದಾಯಿರಾಗ ಮೆರಿಟೈಮ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ವಣಿ ರಾಜ್ಯಗೆ ಮಸ್ವೆರಿ ನಶಾ ಕಂಡು ದತುರ್ಫತುರ್ಗೆ ಸಿನಾತುಗ ಮಸೆಕೆ ಕುರಾಮಿ ಹುನ್ನ ಬೇನುಂವಾ ತೌಲೀಮಾ ಹುನರ ಗಾಬಿಲ್ಕಂ ಗೆನೆಸ್ ದಿನುಮ ಮೆದು ಕೆಂಡು ಬೆನ್ನತಿ ಫಾಯಿತುವಿ ದಿಹಾ ಹರುದೋಹು ಬುರ ಮಸೆಕೆತ್ತಕೆ ಕೊಫಂ ನತೀಜಾಯಕಿ ದಿವೆ ರಾಜ್ಯಗ ಕಂಡು ದತುರು ಫತುರು ಕುರುಮುಗ ದಿಮಾವಾ ಏಕೇಕಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ತ ಮದುವೆ ಕಂಡು ದತುರು ಫತುರು ಕುರುಮುಗೆ ಎಮ್ಮೆಹಾ ಕಾನೂನ್ತಕ ಕವಾಯತ್ತಕ ತಬಾವಾಣಿ ಹೇದುಂತೆರಿ ಮುಜ್ತಮೈ ಉಫಿದಿಗೆಂದಿಯು ಫಾಯಿತುವಿ ದಿಹಾ ಹರುಗೆ ತೆರೆಗ ಮೆರಿಟೈಮ್ ದಾಯಿರಾಯಿಂ ಜುಮ್ಲಾ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಹಾಸ್ ಅಫರಾಯಿಂ ಏಕಿ ಕೋಸ್ತಕುಂ ಗ್ರಾಜುಯೇಟ್ ವಫಾವುಮಕಿ ದಿವೆ ರಾಜ್ಯಗೆ ರೈಯತುಂಗೆ ಹಿತುಗ ಮೆರಿಟೈಮ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಗೆ ಕೋಸ್ತಕಂ ವೆಂ ಇತುಬಾರ ಯಗಿಂಕಂ ರಂಜಕೊತ್ತೆ ಕಮೆ ಮೆರಿಟೈಮ್ ದಾಯಿರಾಯಿಂ ಮೀಹುಂ ಬಿನಾ ಕುರುಮ ಕುರಮುಂದಿಯ ಕಾಮಯಾಬು ಮಸೆಕತಾಯಕು ಮುಜ್ತಮಯ ಬೇನುವಾ ಮುಹಿಮ್ಮು ಹುನರ್ತ ತರಗೀಕೊ ಫುಳಾ ಕುರುಮ ಮೆರಿಟೈಮ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಗೆ ಕುಡಾಗೆ ದಶುಗ ಮೆರಿಟೈಮ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಲ್ಡೀವ್ಸ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಮಿಹಾರ್ವಣಿ ವುಜೂದ್ ವೆಫ MAMBS ಗೆ ಕುರು ಹಯಾತುಗ ಫಾಯಿತುವಿ ದೇ ಹರೆಂ ಹಾದುವಹುಗೆ ತೆರೇಗ ಇತುಬಾರ ಯಗಿಂ ಕಂಬನಿ ಹೋದಾಫ MAMBS ಇನ್ ಫೋರು ಕೊದ್ದೆಬೆ ತೌಲೀಮ್ಗೆ ಫೆಂವರಾಮೆದು ಎವ್ವೆಸ್ ರಾಜ್ಯತಕು ಶಕ್ಕು ನುಕುರುಮಿ ಮಿ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಯ ಮಿಯದುಲಿಬೆ ಎಮ್ಮೆ ಬೊಡು ಫಹರು ಇತುರು ಖಿದ್ಮೆತ್ತ ಫುಳಾ ಕುರುಮಲ್ಲಿಬೆ ಎಮ್ಮೆ ಬೊಡು ಉಮ್ಮೀದು ನತೀಜಾಯಿಗ ಗುತುನ್ ದೆಹಾಸ್ ನವಾರ ವಣಹರು ಇಸ್ಲಾಮಿಕ್ ಶರಿಯಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಲೋ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ ಎನಿಮೇಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಮೀಡಿಯಾಗೆ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಮಿಹಾರ್ವಣಿ ತಾರಫ್ ಕುರೆಫ ಯುಕೆಗೆ ಲೈಫ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಕಂಗಾವಾ ಅಬ್ಮಾ ಫಶಾಫ ವಾಯಿರು ಮೆರಿಟೈಮ್ ದಾಯಿರಾಯಿಂ ಬೈನಲ್ ಅಕ್ವಾಮಿ ದೆ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮೆ ಮಿಹಾರು ಕುರಿಯಗೆಂದೆ DNVGL ನಿಯಮಿಯ ಟ್ರೇನಿನ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಚಾರ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಶಿಪ್ ಬ್ರೋಕರ್ಸ್ ಡಿಪ್ಲೊಮಾ ಇನ್ ಲಾಜಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿ ಮೋಡಲ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಗೆ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಮಿ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಯಾಮೆದು ಸರುಕಾರುಗೆ ಎವ್ವೆಸ್ ಮೋಸೆಸಾಯಕು ಮಿಹಾತನಂ ಎವ್ವೆಸ್ ಶಕುವಾ ಲಿಬಿಫಾನೆತುಮಕಿ ಅಳುಗಣ್ ಮೆನ್ನಲ್ಲಿಬೆ ಎಮ್ಮೆ ಬೊಡ್ ಶರಫ್ ಕೆಂಡಿನೇಳಿ MAMBSಗೆ ಟೀಮ್ ಮಸಿಕೆ ಕುರೆನಿ ದಿವೆ ರಾಜ್ಯಗೆ ರೈಯತುನ್ನ ಫಸೇಹ ಕಮಾಯಕು ಫೆಂವರು ರಂಗಳು ತೌಲೀಮು ರಂಗಳು ಗೊತುಕ ಫೋರು ಕೊದ್ದಿರ್ಮ ನಜಾಹೆ ತೆರಿಕಮಾಯಕು ತೌಲೀಮು ಫೋರು ಕೊದ್ದಿರ್ಮಕಿ MAMBSಗೆ ಅಮಾಜ್ ದೇಹ ಸತಾರ ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್ ಮಹುಗೆ ಕುರಿಕೊಳು MAORC ಕಾಯಕು ನೂನುವತೊಳು ಹೆಂಬದು ಗೌಫೆದನು MAMBSಗೆ ಫ್ಯಾತಿದ ಅತೊಳು ತೆರೇಗ ಸಾಬಿತ್ ಕುರವುಣೆರು ಫಾಯಿತ್ ವೆದಿಯ ದೇಹ ಹರುಗೆ ತೆರೇಗ ವಿಸ್ಸಬುರೆ ಗಿನ ರಶುಗ MAMBSಗೆ ಏಕೇಕಿ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ತವಣಿ ತಾರಫ್ ಕುರೆಫ ಅದಿಯ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ತಕ್ಕೆ ತೆರೆಂ ಗಿನ ಕುದಿಂತಕ್ಕೆ ಮಿಯದುವಣಿ ದಸ್ವೆನಿವೆ ಎಕುದಿಂಗೆ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ತ ಕಾಮಿಯಾಬ್ ಕಮಾಯಕು ನಿಮ್ಮಾಲಾಫ ಮಿಕಮುಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಗಂಡು ಸಬಬಕಿ ಕೊಮ್ಮೆ ಗೊಂಜೋಮಕ ಕೊರಿಮೆತ್ಲಾ ಕೊಮ್ಮೆ ಗೊಂಜೋಮೆ ಫುರ್ಸದಕ ಬದಲು ಕೊಲ್ಲುಮ MAMBSಗೆ ಟೀಮುಂ ಕುರಮುಂಗೆಂದ ಮಸಿಕೆ ಅದಿ ಫುರ್ಸತುಗೆ ಫೋಣಿ ಮೇವಾ ದರಿವರುಣ ಹಮಯಲ್ಲಿಬಿ ನತೀಜಾ ನೆರೆದಿನುಮ ಕೊದ್ದೆವೆ ಅಘೂರಿ ಖಿದ್ಮೆತ್ತ ಆ ಕೆಂಪಹಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಕ ರಸ್ಮಿ ಕೋ ಮೆರಿಟೈಮ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಲ್ಡೀವ್ಸ್ ಬಿಸಿನೆಸ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ದೇಹಾಸ್ ನವಾರವಣ ಹರ್ಗ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಕುರವಿ ಹುರಿಹಾ ORC ತಕ್ಕೆ ವಿಸ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಕುರವಿ ಕಾಲೇಜಕ ಬದಲ್ವುಮ ಮಿಯ ಹರುಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಚ್ ಮಹುಗೆ ಹತಾವಿಸ್ವನದೋಹು ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಆಫ್ ಹೈಯರ್ ಎಡ್ಯುಕೇಷನ್ ಅವಣಿ ಪ್ರಪೋಸಲ್ ಹುಷಳಿಫ ಅಲ್ಲಾಹುಗೆ ತನವಸ್ ರಹಮೈ ಫುಳಾಯಕು ದಾದಿ ಅವಹ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ಗೆ ದರಜೆಕ ಮಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಬದಲ್ವೆಗೆಂದಾಣೆ ದೇಹರುದೋಹುಗೆ ತೆರೇಗ MQA ಹುದ್ದದು ಕೊಫಾವಾ ತಫಾತು ಹೆಲ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಗೆ ಫನ್ಸಾಸ್ ತಿಂಗ್ ಕೋಹೆಗೆ ತಮ್ರೀನ್ ತಕ ಕುರು ಮುದ್ದತುಗೆ ಕೋಸ್ತ MAMBS ಹಿಂಗಾ ಹಿಂಗುಮುಂ ದೇಹ ಕೊದ್ದೆನಿ MAMBSಗೆ ಕುಡಾಗೆ ದಶುಗ ಗಿನ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ತಕೆ ಫೆಶಿ ತೌಲೀಮು ಫುಳಾವ ಮುಂದಾಕಂ ಮೀ ರಾಜ್ಯಗ ಮಿಫದೆಹೆ ಮುಅಸ್ಸಸಾಯಕುಂ ಹೋದಾಫವಾ ಕಾಮಿಯಾಬಿಯನ್ನೂಂಕಂ ಮಿ ಫುರ್ಸತ್ತುಗ ಉಫದಾಯಕು ಫಾಹಕ ಕುರಂ ಮೀ ವರ ಲಫತುಗ ಮಿ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಯ ರಾಜ್ಯಗ ತೌಲೀಮುದೆ ಎಹೆನಿಹೆ ಮುಅಸ್ಸಸಾತಕು ಮಚ್ಚಂ ಹೋದುನು ಬೊಡು ಕಾಮಿಯಾಬಿಯೆ MAMBSಗೆ ತೌಲೀಮಿ ಫಲ್ಸಫಾ ಬಿನಾವನಿ ರಂಗಳು ತೌಲೀಮ್ಗೆ ಮಚ್ಚಂ ಉಫೆದ್ದುನ್ ತೆರಿ ಸಿಕುಣ್ತಕೆ ಬಿನಾ ಕುರ್ಮ ಕೌಮುಗೆ ರೌಸುಲ್ ಮಾಲು ಇತುರುಕೊ ಬರುಗದ ಕುರ್ಮಟಕ ಮಸೆಗೆ ಕುರ್ಮ ಬೇನುವಾಣೆ ಫುರಿಹಮ ಎತ್ತಕೆ ಉಫೆದ್ದುಮ MAMBSಗೆ ತೌಲೀಮಿ ಫಲ್ಸಫಾಯಕಿ ಎಮ್ಮೆನ್ನ ಗುಡಿಗೆ ತೌಲೀಮ್ ದಿನುಮುಗೆ ಫಲ್ಸಫಾ ಎವ್ವೆಸ್ ಕುಜ್ಜಕು ಬಾಕಿ ನುಕುರುಮುಗೆ ಫಲ್ಸಫಾ ಉಂಗೆನುಮಕಿ ಅಬದ್ ವೆಸ್ ಕುರೆಂಜಹೆ ಕಮೆಕಂಗ ದೆಕಿಗೆಂ ಕುರಿಯರ ದಿವುಮುಗೆ ಫಲ್ಸಫಾ ಉಂಗೆನುಮ ಉಂಗನ್ನ ದಿನುಮುಗೆ ತೆರೆನ್ ರಂಗಳು ವಾದವರಿ ಮಾಹೌಲೆಗೆ ತೆರೆನ್ ಉಫೆದ್ದುನ್ ತೆರಿ ನತೀಜಾ ನಿರುಮ ಮಸೆಗೆ ಕುರುಮುಗೆ ಫಲ್ಸಫಾ ಮಿಯಜುಮುಗ MAMBS ಇರಾದು ಕುರೆವಿಯ ದಾನಿ ಕುರಿಯ ಆ ಖಿದ್ಮೆತಕ ಆ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ತಕ ಆ ಕೋಸ್ತ ಕೊಮ್ಮೆ ದೋಹಕ ವೆಸ್ ವಜೂದ್ ಕೋ ಕುರಿಯ ಗಿಂದಾನಕಂಗೆ ಫುರಿಹಮ ಇತುಬಾರ ಯಗಿನ್ ಕಂ ಅರ್ವಂ ಮಿ ಹುರಿಹಾ ಮಸಕತುಗ MAS ಕೋ ಮುಗುಲುಗ ಹುಣ್ಣೆವಿ MAMBSಗೆ ಕೋ ಫೌಂಡರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟನ್ ಆದಿಲ್ ರಶೀದ್ ಏಂಕಮುಂ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟನ್ ಆದಿಲ್ ರಶೀದ್ ಅಂಹಾಕುವ ಖಾಸ ಶುಕುರು ಎಮ್ಮಿಹಾ ದರಿವರುಣ ಲೆಕ್ಚರೈನ ORC ತಕುಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರುಂಗೆ ನಮ್ಗ ಮಿ ಫುರಿಸತುಗ ದನ್ನವಾಲುಮಕಿ ಕೊಮ್ಮೆಹೆ ಕುರಂಜಹೆ ಕಮೆ ಶುಕ್ರಿಯಾ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟನ್ ಆದಿಲ್ ರಶೀದ್
Yes, it is indeed very interesting, isn't it? But it's also quite challenging. Well done, MAM. Within a short period of time, Maritime Academy of Maldives have crossed many hurdles and emerged as a strong institution with visionary thinking of our captain. May I now call upon our academic director, Mr. Muhammad Firaz, Maritime Academy of Maldives, to address the ceremony.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. All praise belongs to Allah, the Lord of the worlds, and peace and greetings be upon our Master, Muhammad al-Mustafa, and upon his immaculate household, chosen companions, and those who follow them well until the day of judgment. I welcome you, honorable guests, and I ask Almighty and merciful God, Allah, to bless this collective effort and make it an effective step towards happiness of Muslims. Surely he listens and responds. The honorable chief guest of this very gracious ceremony, Dr. Saeed Tanveer, the director of ICC Indian Cultural Center, first secretary, Embassy of India, our respected CEO, Captain Adil Rashid, Member of Parliament, the MD of Maldives Center for Islamic Finance, beloved students, staff of MM and MBBS, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Indeed, it is a very big pleasure for me and my team to welcome all of you to this fourth convocation since the birth of MM and MMBS. We have been running the programs, as you have learned from the video presentation, starting from 1 ORC and ending the number to 20 as of today, conducting 53 MQA programs in 7 MQA approved levels and across 10 disciplines. I believe this is one of the finest achievements that we have achieved in the last 2 years of struggles and success. I welcome you to this ceremony because you have been doing sincere efforts from the day of joining the courses with the help of your lecturers and with the help of your family members. Today we are here gathered to celebrate the success stories, in fact, the moments that you have created in your classrooms, the moments that you have created in learning lessons, the moments that you have created in your college life. We believe we have imparted the knowledge and education from MMBS with pillars of our fundamental values, values of innovation, values of quality, and values of affordability. So we believe that embracing human life through powerful means of education, we believe creating a change, though it might be a minor one, that might bring a positive attitude among people to change this ever-changing world. So today, let me congratulate all of you on behalf of MMBS achieving success and ending your respective programs successfully. Warm congratulations. Also, I would like to thank you, the lecturers, ORC managers, who have been collaborating us consistently throughout this journey. In times of struggles, in times of difficulties, really, all of you have rendered your helping hands to our institute. This is very invaluable help that you have offered. Last but not least, before concluding my welcoming remark, I would like to share you the great, positive, good news that is yet to come with MMBS. We are graduating from institute level to a college level, which in fact we will be able to conduct new multidiscipline courses, level 8 postgraduate courses, level 9 master programs, and also we will be collaborating more in the future with international universities, giving you a global taste to the education that we are continuing to provide. I wish you all good luck for your future. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala have blessings on us and on you and show us the right path to the success. Walhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen.
Thank you, Mr. Muhammad Firaz. That was very strong wordings. We shall remember that. Next on the agenda for the night is awarding of certificates to ORC managers, lecturers, and graduates. May I call upon Mariam Yuma and MAM Registrar Shahma Abdul Rahman to do this item.
Assalamu alaikum and good evening to all. Maritime Academy of Maldives recognizes the invaluable contribution of our campus managers and lecturers who give their time and energy to ensure that our students who study at our outreach campuses get the required facilities and support. At this ceremony, we commend the service of 12 campus managers and 38 lecturers who contributed to the success of tonight's graduation. Before announcing the names, I respectfully request CEO of Maritime Academy of Maldives, Captain Adil Rashid, to hand over the certificates. Captain Adil Rashid. Ahmad Rashid, Campus Manager, Noon Hembadu. Ali Ziad, Campus Manager, Noon Landu. Ibrahim Samil, Campus Manager, Noon Landu. Aminat Sama, Campus Manager, Noon Landu. Muhammad Humaid, Campus Manager, Hadal Kurudu Fushi. Muhammad Rashid, Campus Manager, Ba Eda Fushi. Abdul Jalil, Campus Manager, Gaf Alif Mamendo. Muhammad Fikri, Campus Manager, Lam Fonadu. Hassan Farid, Campus Manager, Tha Buruni. Nusha Ahmad Nasir, Campus Manager, Male. Muhammad Shiam, Campus Manager, Gaf Alif Gemanafushi. Hamad Abdul Latif, Campus Manager, Noon Kudafari. Ahmad Rashid, Advanced Certificate in Human Resources and Management, Noon Hembadu. Hamid Rashid, Advanced Certificate in Human Resources Management, Noon Hembadu. Praveen Madhav, Advanced Certificate in Human Resource Management, Noon Hembadu. Ilham Ali, Advanced Certificate in Human Resource Management, Noon Hembadu, and Diploma in Leadership and Management, Noon Landu. Ahmad Shoaib Rashid, Diploma in Leadership and Management, Noon Landu and Ta Buruni. Aishat Afira, Diploma in Leadership and Management, Noon Landu. Aishat Firasha, Diploma in Leadership and Management, Noon Landu. Premlal Raban, Advanced Certificate in Business and Management, Noon Landu. Ahmad Nizal Nazir, Advanced Certificate in Business and Management, Noon Landu, Gafalif Mamendu and Hadal Kurudufushi. Mariam Shafiga, Advanced Certificate in Business and Management, Noon Landu. Muhammad Humaid, Advanced Certificate in Business and Management, Hadal Kurudufushi. Salah Hassan, Advanced Certificate in Business and Management, Hadal Kurudufushi. Ibrahim Muhammad, Advanced Certificate in Business and Management, Hadal Kurudufushi. Muhammad Arif, Diploma in Leadership and Management, Ba Edafushi. Abdullah Rashid, Diploma in Leadership and Management, Ba Edafushi. Muhammad Zubair, Diploma in Leadership and Management, Ba Edafushi. Ali Firag, Diploma in Leadership and Management, Ba Edafushi. Azim Abdullah, Advanced Certificate in Business and Management, Kafalif Mamendo. Shamsuddin PM, Advanced Certificate in Business and Management, Kafalif Mamendo. Razana Rifat, Advanced Certificate in Business and Management, Kafalif Mamendo. Muhammad Fikri, Diploma in Leadership and Management, Lam Fonadu. Mariam Najila, Diploma in Leadership and Management, Lam Fonadu. Ibrahim Shahim, Diploma in Leadership and Management, Lam Fonadu. Aishat Nuha, Diploma in Leadership and Management, Tha Buruni. Shahida Abdul Hadi, Diploma in Leadership and Management, Tha Buruni. Aishat Hassan, Diploma in Leadership and Management, Tha Buruni. Zinia Shakir, Diploma in Islamic Banking and Finance, Male. Havwa Yusra, Diploma in Islamic Banking and Finance, Male. Amnat Safa, Diploma in Islamic Banking and Finance, Male. Dr. Abdullah Shiham Hassan, Diploma in Islamic Banking and Finance, Male. Ayman Shafiq, Diploma in Islamic Banking and Finance, Male. Aishat Rashida, Diploma in Islamic Banking and Finance, Male. Ahmad Riza, Diploma in Islamic Banking and Finance, Male. Muhammad Saddam, Diploma in Leadership and Management, Gaf Alif Gemanafushi. Aslam Hussein, Diploma in Leadership and Management, Gaf Alif Gemanafushi. Zuhura Abu Bakr, Diploma in Leadership and Management, Noon Kudafari. Mariam Masita, Diploma in Leadership and Management, Noon Kudafari. Thank you, Captain Adil Rashid. Certificates for those ORC managers and lecturers who couldn't join us tonight will be presented later. November 2019 convocation celebrates the graduation of 101 students from 11 programs conducted in 10 campuses. This includes 10 graduates from Advanced Certificate in Human Resource Management, 18 graduates from Advanced Certificate in Business and Management, 69 graduates from Diploma in Leadership and Management, and 4 graduates from Diploma in Islamic Banking and Finance. I will now announce the name of students who have successfully graduated from Maritime Academy of Maldives with Advanced Certificate in Business and Management. Before announcing the names, I respectfully request Ms. Azha Zamir to hand over the certificates. Ms. Azha Zamir. Nasma Nasir. Amani Muhammad. Ahmad Azhar Muhammad Zuhair. Sarat Nasir. Fatmat Haifa Ahmad. Nafha Ali. Azli Nasir. Aminat Sudha Shafiq. Afsa Faisal. Shama Siddiq. Sara Muhammad. Reema Ramiz. Muhammad Raid Muhammad. Fatmat Izlina. Thank you, Ms. Azha Zamir. I will now announce the names of students who have successfully graduated from Maritime Academy of Maldives with Advanced Certificate in Human Resource Management. Before announcing the names, I respectfully request Mr. Ahmad Mustafa, Principal of Maritime Academy of Maldives, to hand over the certificates. Mr. Ahmad Mustafa. Abu Bakr Khalid, Farhan Zakaria, Abdur Rahman Nizam, Fatmat Muhammad, Hawa Hussain, Adam Samir, Muhammad Shiham, Fatmat Ali, Ahmad Wahid, Hassan Vishan. Thank you, Principal Ahmad Mustafa. Next, I will announce the names of students who have successfully graduated from Maritime Academy of Maldives with Diploma in Islamic Banking and Finance. Award for Diploma in Islamic Banking and Finance is awarded by South Asian Institute for Islamic Finance. Before announcing the names, I respectfully request Ibrahim Didi, Managing Director of Maldives Center for Islamic Banking and Finance, to hand over the certificates. Mr. Ibrahim Didi. Ziana Halim, Fatmat Jasmine, Wisama Abdullah, Thank you, Mr. Ibrahim Didi. The next set of awards will be announced by Registrar Shahma Abdur Rahman. Ms. Shahma Abdur Rahman.
Assalamu alaikum. Good evening all. I will now announce the names of the students who have successfully graduated from Maritime Academy of Maldives with Diploma in Leadership and Management. Before announcing the names, I respectfully request Mr. Mohammad Firaz, Director of Academics, Maritime Academy of Maldives, to hand over the certificates for the first 22 graduates. Mr. Mohammad Firaz. Diploma in Leadership and Management, Abdullah Shian, Ahmad Rashid, Aminat Nadia, Nadia Muhammad, Halimat Shamira, Khadijat Nazni, Abdul Nasir Ali, Aishat Lutfia, Khadija Mamduha, Halimat Shazmila, Fatmat Nahula, Wajiha Hassan, Zulfa Ahmad, Rahmatullah Abdul Muhsin, Ahmad Wahid, Muhammad Mifsal Naim, Amnat Firasha, Amnat Abu Bakr, Aishat Sobaha, Saha Ahmad, Ahlam Abdus Samad, and Shamima Hussain. Thank you, Mr. Muhammad Firaz. I will now announce the names of the next 22 students who have successfully graduated from Maritime Academy of Maldives with Diploma in Leadership and Management. Before announcing the names, I respectfully request Mr. Jamshid Mohammed of Parliament, Member of Parliament, Kurdufushi South Constituency, to hand over the certificate. Mr. Jamshid. Ibrahim Muhammad. Shifana Saeed. Aishat Shamila. Ahmad Muhammad. Mariam Ifasha. Asima Ali. Rugiya Risma. Hanif Ibrahim. Amnat Reena. Aishat Rifka. Wasima Abdullah. Hafsa Ali. Nazima Muhammad. Wasima Hussein. Shehnaz Hussain. Mauna Abdul Aziz. Mariam Saida. Ibrahim Hussein. Shibana Musa. Amnat Rizfa. Jabin Ibrahim. And Muhammad Hamdoun. Thank you, Mr. Muhammad Jamshid. I will now announce the names of the next 24 students who have successfully graduated from Maritime Academy of Maldives with Diploma in Leadership and Management. Before announcing the names, I respectfully request Knowledge Manager, South Asian Institute of Islamic Finance, Ali Munawwar, to hand over the certificates. Ali Munawwar. Ali Jamil. Abdullah Abdul Razak. Shehnaz Abdul Razak. Abdul Matin Ahmad. Fatmat Rashida. Zainab Shivna. Mahmoud Salim. Aishat Fahama. Rugiya Amna. Muhammad Asil. Muhammad Rashid, Shahia Idris, Muhammad Salim, Hassan Nasir Ibrahim, Amnat Salwa, Fatmat Fazna, Mariam Rifasha, Adam Sharif, Asma Yusuf, Ali Najib, Ibrahim Ramiz, Ismail Sharif, Abdullah Kalim, and Abdullah Hanif. Thank you, Mr. Ali Munawar. I will now announce the names of the top achievers of the various batches graduating tonight. Before announcing the names, I respectfully request Chief Guest of this convocation ceremony, Dr. Syed Tanveer Nasreen, Director of Indian Cultural Center, to hand over the certificates, commendation, medal, and cash prize for top achievers. Dr. Syed Tanveer. Top achievers, Fatmat Mohammed, Advanced Certificate in Human Resource Management, Noon Hembadu. Amnat Risfa, Diploma in Leadership and Management, Noon Landu. Ahmad Azhar Muhammad Zuhair, Advanced Certificate in Business and Management, Hadal Kurdufushi. Fatmat Rashida, Diploma in Leadership and Management, Ba'eda Fushi. Fatmat Haifa Ahmad, Advanced Certificate in Business and Management, Gaf Alif Maamendo. Asima Ali, Diploma in Leadership and Management, Lamfonadu. Ali Jamiu, Diploma in Leadership and Management, Gaf Alif Kemana Fushi. Hadija Mamduha, Diploma in Leadership and Management, Taburuni. Mariam Rifasha, Diploma in Leadership and Management, Kudafari. Thank you, Dr. Syed Tanveer. Congratulations, graduates.
Thank you, Mariam Yuma and Rahma. The importance of rejoice and reunion is always necessary and healthy. For this purpose, inaugurates Alumni Association tonight. I kindly request Dr. Syed Tanveer Nasir to inaugurate Alumni Association. It is indeed a great pleasure for us that Dr. Syed Tanveer Nasir is gracing this occasion. Now I kindly call Chief Guest to deliver the speech.
Assalamu alaikum. Captain Adil Rashid, CEO of Maritime Academy of Maldives. Mohammad Firaz, Director of Academics. Distinguished people associated with the Maritime Academy of Maldives. Distinguished dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen. I feel humble and much honored being invited as the chief guest on this occasion of your convocation of the Maritime Academy of Maldives. And as a student of history, it gives me great pleasure to ponder upon our deep maritime relations between the two countries, between India and the Maldives. Our maritime connections go back to prehistoric times. And one of the earliest references, according to one of our texts, the Mahavangsam, one of the ships that sailed with Prince Vijaya, there's a debate on whether he was from Magadha or from Bengal. Anyways, an Indian prince named Vijaya, who went to Sri Lanka around 500 BCE, went adrift and arrived at an island called Mahilad Vipika, which is identified with the present Maldives. So we have a long connection, and a very proud moment for me to say a long maritime connection between the two countries. And it gives me immense pleasure to be a part of the convocation of an institution that is actually celebrating the deep maritime connections. The Maldives has also been referred to as Maricha Dvipa in our ancient texts. And one of the earliest settlers in this country were the descendants of Tamils from Tamilakam in the Sangama period between 300 years before the birth of Christ and 300 CE. So you can understand how deep our connections are. and that one of the earliest settlers in this island were people from the mainland of India, and the source through which they came were our deep maritime connections. So in every aspect of the Indo-Maldivian relationship, we celebrate this maritime connection. And why I mention this, as I said, is we have India and Maldives has a very deep maritime relation, which are historic and ancient. And based on our maritime connections, has flourished a culture particularly of South Asia. Much of it in the ancient times was also based on maritime trade. And it gives me again immense pleasure to recollect, and register here that one of the prized possessions of the Maldives, the Kauri shells, were a very important item of trade, a very important item of maritime trade since ancient times. And the mention of Maldives Kauris as units of currency throughout Asia and even parts of the East African coast is something that has been a matter of great pride in history. And even today, when our Indian tourists collect these Maldivian kauris as souvenirs from the country, we record our deep connection with this island nation. In our tradition as well, maritime relations, the history of maritime trade has been very, very important. Since the Harappan civilization, I'm sure many of you have heard about the Indus Valley civilization, which we now call the Harappan civilization. Seafaring people, maritime voyages, maritime contacts, maritime trade was very, very important. And we have evidence of boats and ships from the Harappan sills. We have the imprint of an anchor from a seal of a civilization which is 4,000 years old, a little more than that perhaps. And so you understand that we have, in India, we also have a long cherished maritime tradition, not just through our boats and ships, not just through the archaeological evidences. We also have, the coastal areas of Bengal and South India. There have been a number of ports since ancient times. And the Rig Veda, the Vedic literature, the corpus of our Vedic literature, which is essentially a socio-spiritual literature, is replete with evidences of maritime references. For instance, even the Vedas and the Puranas refer to parts of ships, very technical parts, and we have references to cabins being the position of a cabin in a ship, and accordingly whether the cabin is in front or in the middle or at the end were called Agra Mandira, Madhya Mandira, and Paschata Mandira, etc. The Jatakas, the Buddhist texts of India, have enormous references to sea trade and seafaring population. The maritime trade, the maritime relations, since time immemorial, connected India with the rest of the world. And from the major ports like Muziris, Pumpuhar, Arikamedu, Bharuch, Calicut, Tuticorin, etc., throughout the eastern and the western coasts of India, were again fed with the inland ports in India. And a number of trade items, for instance, perfumes, was a very important part of the Indo-Roman trade. And that is how we connected with the rest of the world. The part of India that I come from, Eastern Bengal, the eastern part of India, has a number of very important ports. Two very ancient ports of this region were Tamralipta and Adi Saptagram. If you look at the history of the maritime contacts of India with the rest of the world, these two ports shaped not just the economy of ancient and medieval Bengal. To a great extent, as students of maritime management, you would understand that it also shapes our culture. And these ports went a long way in shaping the culture of Bengal, so much so that the Indo-Roman trade, perfumery, gandha as we say, perfumes, led to the birth of a caste in Bengal called the Gandha Baniks, people who trade in perfumery. So it shapes our culture, it shapes our world vision. Maritime engagements widen our mental horizon altogether. And as I said, India, from the Harappan civilization, not just the evidence of seals, not just the evidence of an anchor, we also have the evidence of a splendid dockyard at Lothal. As a representative of India here, as the director of the Indian Cultural Center, I'd invite you to visit India, and if you visit Gujarat, to make a visit to this ancient dockyard at Lothal. You'll be amazed how we had started exploring the seas at a time when the rest of the world hardly knew how to negotiate with it. And India, Maldives, and the other South Asian countries all share this shared heritage of our connected past. And till now, the maritime sector remains an important component of our bilateral relations, coming from the ancient times to the 21st century. Towards the end of 2019, the maritime relations shape our bilateral relations to a great extent, not just through culture, but also for strategic and economic reasons. We look forward to fostering these relations, and I'm again very, very thankful that you have invited me to this convocation, and formed with a mission of producing proficient individuals in the maritime sector of Maldives. It was very, very heartening to see that an institution that is almost a decade old, you were founded in 2010, a decade old, is doing such splendid work in maritime advancement of the nation. Academic, theoretical, technical, and vocational training programs which you provide, along with domestic transport network courses, I believe, is very, very significant for a nation which has 28 natural atolls and 1194 islands. So the main connection is through water and maritime connections. The courses offered at the Maritime Academy of Maldives have expanded over the years, as I understand from my friends Muhammad Firaz and Captain Rashid. And you have a maritime school along with a business school, which is again very, very inspiring. It was extremely inspiring for me as a woman. I congratulate all of you as a woman to see young girls graduating and doing so well. A special word of congratulations for them, because we know how difficult the world is, the academic world is, and generally the world is for women altogether. So many struggles we have to overcome. There are so many challenges. I understand that there are challenges for everyone, but as women, we appreciate the overcoming of challenges for our girl students, and a special word of congratulations for them. Coastal navigation, basic safety training are parts of the core maritime training you provide, along with subjects as intricate as maritime catering and marine mechanic courses are something I found very, very interesting, because as an outsider to the whole domain of maritime training, maritime catering and maritime mechanic courses are as important, we can appreciate, and I congratulate you, Maritime Academy of Maldives, for taking such intricate courses and empowering your citizens to take up the advancement of the nation. You have 101 graduates tonight and 4 programs, 10 campuses. That is splendid. And as I said, as the chief guest of your convocation tonight, I feel humble and much, much honored. I wish you all the best and ever more success. I wish all your achievements double, triple, quadruple with the grace of God and with the support of the country. And I look forward to further bilateral relations, strategic, economic, and cultural interactions. As the director of the Indian Cultural Center here, it is my privilege to look forward to increased cultural interactions between India and the Maldives, where the maritime connections remain a key focus, a key sector in all our engagements. Friends, as I conclude, I'd also like to bring to your kind notice that the Indian Council for Cultural Relations has announced 39 scholarships this year exclusively for Maldivian nationals, for Maldivian students aged between 18 and 30 years. So under the General Scholarship Scheme, under the Aid to Maldives Scheme, and under the Commonwealth Scholarship Scheme, we have 39 scholarships. Please spread the word, and please spread the word among your friends, among your relatives, that we have a huge array of domains in which these scholarships can be provided for undergraduate, postgraduate, and other technical engineering and other technical sectors of study. So we look forward to, as individuals, we look forward to increased Indo-Maldivian interactions. And on a government-to-government basis, you can understand, India also looks forward to increased cooperation, engagement, and interaction between India and Maldives. Thank you very much once again for inviting me here. Thank you very much for the honor you have bestowed not only upon an individual who is a director of the Indian Cultural Center, but also for the honor you chose to bestow upon our nation. Long live Indo-Maldivian friendship. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Your speech enlightened our hearts and inspired us with your strong words of support. We'll make sure we'll always revisit your advices to move forward. Inshallah, our students will take your advice to bring positive changes to their life. It will be incomplete to end this ceremony without sharing experience of a fellow graduate. May I call upon Diploma in Leadership and Management from Non Kudafari ORC, Ms. Mariam Rifasha, to share her journey. Mariam Rifasha.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. O my Lord, make my heart peaceful and expand it for knowledge, and ease my task for me and remove the impediment from my speech, so they may understand what I say. Honorable Chief Guest of this graduation ceremony, Dr. Saeed Tanveer Nasreen, Director, Indian Cultural Center, First Secretary, Embassy of India. Honorable Co-Founder of Maritime Academy of Maldives and MM Business School, Captain Adil Rashid and management team. Academic members of MM, MMBS, distinguished guests, lecturers, ORC managers, parents, fellow graduates, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and good evening. It's a huge honor for me to give this speech of valedictory in front of all graduates and everyone present here to support our success. Graduating is a moment of happiness and joy. First and foremost, let me congratulate all graduates today who have really succeeded in completing the respective programs. There are few students today who are achieving towards awards for their outstanding academic achievements. Let us unite applauding them for their great success. I would like to start by thanking Maritime Academy of Maldives and her business school for providing us a great and finest higher education. Thank you, sir, Captain Adil Rashid, for being founded such a prestigious higher education institute that every Maldivian, especially students of island life, can rely on. Now it became a history that remote islands of Maldives have been deprived from easy access to higher education. Those their struggles are now shrouded in history and we everyone enjoy the present. MM Business School was and is the hope of our education in a shadow of dark time, and she gave a new hope, a hope of equal opportunities in higher education. Well, our beloved teachers were amazing. We felt their presence in every step of our journey. They have really helped us from classroom teaching to personal guidance in learning. We are thankful in abundance to all lecturers for inbound love and caring during our studies. A teacher is a dealer of hope. Our stressful life in learning was balanced well with their guidance. Also, I would like to thank the ORC managers and the coordinators for their role in our success. Fellow graduates, I want you all to know what a great gift it is to be as prepared as MMBS are, because not all higher education institutes offer such an advantage. Here we have had a higher degree of academic excellence, and whether you intend to continue your education or not, you will benefit from what you learned here. This is because graduating from MMBS is neither easy or hassle-free for their high standards of academic excellence. I am also be thankful for our families of their continuous support and love throughout the course. These past 2 years have presented us with a lot of ups and downs. It is good to know what we had our families in our corner, supporting and encouraging us along the way. Thanks, Mom and Dad. I would not be here today without you. Thanks, family members, sisters, and brothers. Friends and fellow graduates, you are more than our class of 2019 now. Flash of memories is there to be revived for a lifetime. We will be the valuable symbol of our institute in the future. We promise to hold institute values. Finally, I am thankful for all my classmates. Hopefully, friendship that we have made here will last a lifetime in the same way we have supported each other and helped each other in succeeding these years at MMBS. We will bridge the gaps in the distant relationships with love and care, doing the needful when needed since after this remarkable graduation. Today will leave us many lessons of life. Today we must be inspired from each other, making our life goals more consistent and vibrant. Personally, I am inspired by all of you who has overcome so much adversity to be here graduating today. Fellow graduates, you have been tenacious and have had such a great attitude in the face of so many setbacks. Whenever I get a little down about something that I didn't turn out just the way I wanted it to, I remember some of the talks we have had, and it gives me the perspective and positivity that I needed. Thank you for that. Congratulations and all the best. I'm also inspired by our lecturers. They have shown restless tolerance and patience in teaching, delivering lessons, always guiding us for a great future. Thank you, all great lecturers. You will be our mentors for the lifetime. My fellow graduates, over the last 2 years here at MMBS, we have learned a lot. In fact, all our lecturers tried their best to get us to this point. And all of this knowledge will no doubt be valuable as we go forward in life. But I think that the most important thing that we have learned over the last years is how to build relationships and rely on each other, how to work together as a community, how to respect each other's differences, and how much we need each other to succeed and to value life and time. Among all, most importantly, we learned that an experienced, disciplined way of life through education. Dear graduates, remember, nothing we accomplish is done alone. Rather, we need each other for support and coaching. Next, on behalf of my fellow graduates and myself, I would like to thank the people that have brought us here to this beautiful and remarkable function. Finally, I would like to take a moment to remember our classmates and lecturers who are not here with us today in this function. As a final thought going forward, I would like to leave you with a quote from my mother, the very living and inspiring woman of mine. She uses to say, "Daughter, go and learn whatever you want, but the learning should bring benefits to family, society, and country." Wish you all the best in the future ahead. Let us begin more adventures. May Allah increase us in knowledge while keeping us humble, and always remember that Allah will help you accomplish even greater things, inshallah. May Allah bless our parents and teachers and reward them for their efforts and all they did to make us succeed. May Allah bless our institute goals, visions, and missions and facilitate means to achieve those. May Allah shower the greatest blessings on everyone in this hall. Amin. Thank you for listening.
Thank you, Mariam Rifasha. Once again, congratulations to all the graduates. We wish you all the success for the future endeavors. With this, we have reached the end of this beautiful ceremony. Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the national anthem of Maldives. Thank you all. Refreshments will be served in the hall and photo sessions will be proceeding. Have a blessed evening. Thank you for being with us tonight. Good night.